Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. So let's solve this question. It says smoking dash content in blood and dash. Option A increases CO, reduce heme-bound oxygen. Option B increases CO2, increase heme-bound oxygen. Option C increases oxygen, reduce heme-bound oxygen. Option D decreases CO, decrease heme-bound carbon monoxide. Now let us understand the question. It is talking about smoking dash. That means here they are talking about, if we see the option, we can understand they are talking about increasing level of something or decreasing level of something in blood, and it will result in what? Okay, either reduction in heme-bound oxygen, increase in heme-bound carbon dioxide, reduction in heme-bound oxygen, or reduction in or decrease in heme-bound carbon monoxide. So let us understand something about smoking first. So smoking, we all know, like the main component here is tobacco, right? Tobacco. Okay. Now this tobacco, it produces, like, when the people lit these tobacco containing cigarettes, it produces smoke. Okay. And this smoke is inhaled. So that is what is smoking. Okay. And this smoke mainly consists of carbon monoxide. Okay. Carbon monoxide, which is very, very dangerous. This carbon monoxide, okay, carbon monoxide has high affinity for, you can say, hemoglobin. It has high affinity towards hemoglobin. That means it can easily bind to hemoglobin. Then compared to what? Compared to oxygen. Yes. Okay. So CO, that is carbon monoxide, has high affinity towards hemoglobin than oxygen. Okay. So it can, instead of allowing the binding of oxygen to hemoglobin, the carbon monoxide will bind first because that has more affinity. And because of this, what happens? It will reduce the binding of oxygen with hemoglobin. Okay, so you can say it can reduce heme-bound oxygen. It can reduce what? Heme-bound oxygen. Okay, so because of that, what will happen? It will reduce the amount of oxygen which is needed to be transported to all part of the body. Okay, so there will be hypoxia or hypoxia. It will create the condition which we call it as hypoxia. What is hypoxia? Reduced level of oxygen in the body or in the blood. So let us see. Option A says smoking increases carbon monoxide and reduces heme-bound oxygen. That is absolutely right. Option B says increases carbon dioxide, increase heme-bound carbon dioxide. No, because as I told you, the main component is carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide has higher affinity than other gases to be bound. Hence, it is ruled out. Option C says increase oxygen. So of course, it will not happen at all because the smoke carries carbon monoxide in highest concentration. But here they're saying it increases oxygen level, which is totally incorrect. So we can just rule it out here itself. Option D says decreases carbon monoxide and decreases heme-bound carbon monoxide. Absolutely wrong because it does not decrease. Instead, it increases carbon monoxide. So we can say that smoking increases carbon monoxide content in the blood and reduces heme-bound oxygen. So the option A is the correct answer. So let us conclude. The answer is option A. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.